Welcome to SG Rides, where you get the latest updates about new bikes, scooters, and upcoming models. Today we are talking about the new 2026 model of the Hero Splendor Plus, a motorcycle that has been one of the most trusted and best-selling bikes for many years. The 2026 model comes with a refreshed design, improved features, and the same reliable performance that riders love. Crazy new look and fresh design. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus brings a slightly updated and more modern appearance. While the classic design remains the same, the new model introduces fresh graphics and stylish color combinations that give the bike a more premium and sporty feel. The fuel tank now comes with sharper decals and improved finishing. The chrome elements and body panels look more refined, making the bike stand out on the road. The new model may also feature updated LED lighting in some variants, giving it a modern touch while maintaining its traditional identity. Overall, the 2026 version keeps the legendary Splendor style but adds a fresh and exciting look. Reliable and fuel-efficient engine. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 continues to use the trusted 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine is known for its durability, smooth performance, and excellent fuel efficiency. The bike produces around 8 horsepower, which is perfect for daily commuting and city riding. One of the biggest advantages of this engine is its incredible mileage, which can reach around 70 to 80 kilometers per liter depending on riding conditions. The smooth gearbox and lightweight design make the bike very easy to ride for beginners as well as experienced riders. Comfort and practical riding experience. Comfort is another reason why the Splendor Plus remains so popular. The 2026 model continues to offer a comfortable seat that allows riders to travel long distances without feeling tired. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, which help absorb bumps and rough roads easily. The upright riding position also makes it comfortable for everyday commuting. The bike's lightweight frame and easy handling make it ideal for crowded city traffic. Modern features and technology. Even though the Splendor Plus is known as a simple commuter bike, the 2026 model includes several useful features. Some expected features include i3S start-stop technology for better fuel efficiency, digital analog instrument cluster, side stand engine cutoff, electric start system, tubeless tires. These features improve both convenience and safety for everyday riders. Safety and braking system. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus focuses on safe and reliable braking. The bike comes with drum brakes on both wheels along with a combined braking system, CBS, that improves braking stability. The strong chassis and durable tires provide better grip and control on different types of roads. Expected price and availability. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus is expected to remain an affordable motorcycle, making it accessible for many riders. The estimated price may be around $900 to $1,100, depending on the variant and market. Because of its reliability and low maintenance cost, the Splendor Plus continues to be one of the best choices for daily commuters. Final thoughts. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus proves that a simple commuter bike can still stay relevant with smart updates and a fresh design. With its crazy new look, fuel-efficient engine, comfortable ride, and trusted reliability, it remains one of the most practical motorcycles on the market. For more updates about the latest bikes, scooters, and upcoming models, stay connected with SG Rides and keep watching for more exciting motorcycle content.